Introducing SlingEyez for the Polaris Slingshot. SlingEyez are innovative LED matrix panels that replace the factory vents in the plastic gap fillers on the 2020 and newer Polaris Slingshot. The SlingEyez are plug and play and encased in a cast acrylic housing that slides in from the back side of each gap filler. The front side is protected with a lightly smoked acrylic lens to protect the LED screens from potential road debris, and the included trim rings are available in over a dozen different color options to match your Slingshot's color profile. All necessary hardware is provided for a simple bolt-on installation. The SlingEyez include power harnesses that run from each screen over to the cigarette-style power port in the Glovebox. This power source will allow the screens to turn on and off with ignition. The product comes with a free phone app available for both iOS and Android users. The phone app allows you to customize the screens with hundreds of different animations, such as eyeball configurations, holiday themes, custom text, or your own custom artwork. The screens can be run as mirror images of one another, or you can run each screen independently. If adding custom LED matrix panels to your Slingshot is on your mod list, head on over to slingmods.com today, or click the link in the description below to grab a set for your bike. And feel free to like and subscribe to stay up to date with everything on three wheels. Thanks for watching.